Hotspur 0, Chelsea 3, and we get one very ogungelistic Tottenham Hotspur fan with us here today, making us talk about how he see the game. My brother Kosi, all the way from our African brothers, Cameroon. Kosi, Alpha, tell us how you see this game today. This Tottenham performance is sweet you for Bele.
My brother, as you see me now, so I just say league just dey start. Like I for done dey cry. I actually be disappointed for team way I see am today
Yeah,
for this game.
okay.
Tottenham no show, they no show say they're hungry to win this ball. Because for first half, if you take see and ball possession, if you dey 53-47,
Yes.
wey it show say we actually start we try our best for first half.
Mm.
But we no be get to only try our best. First of all, if you see chance where Son miss am for first half, if people convert that chance, the match for they different.
No be lie, no be
So for
lie.
me, the first instance where I take am, I be prefer say position where Kane start day, na Son begin to start day, and Son start for side where Kane start. Kane
Okay.
be more later for inside the box pass Son. Even
Mm.
though Kane don't provide assist them and all that, but we know say from the flanks, Son don't always be dangerous. But Kane na central box man. And for the Premier League, we know say na only Salah fit the compare Kane for score. So
Yes.
I believe so that one where coach do he no pay off. He no pay off. And then for second half, Chelsea, I don't know waiting. Tuchel go tell them for inside dressing room where they come back, the hunger levels be plenty.
I want to be
And
small
then
ginger.
yes. Then they can bring in mastermind Kante. And when you don't
Mm.
hold pivot team, no nothing, no big agree pursue your game again. So as a Kante come in, Tottenham no be fit even try do anything again because Kante they block him all side. After Thiago Silva
Yes.
score, Kante can't score. If
Mm-hmm.
Loris, if Hugo Loris no go good, the scores for plenty pass the three-way come.
Now true you talk,
He
now true.
make
No be
some, he make some double save for that place. My heart take come out. That means as I look Tottenham like say we no even get hopes.
yes.
So the hunger no be day. The hunger no be day. Yeah.
No be lie.
So
Okay now,
yes,
yeah. Oga Kosi, make I ask you about one player you've been don't mention as you they talk about how you see the game. Make I ask you
yeah,
about Tottenham Hotspur captain Harry Kane. We all know say Harry Kane be in mind be there to come up for the club, but
yeah,
Tottenham big Oga Daniel Levy no agree for any transfer. You think say
yeah.
that one they affect Harry Kane performance so far with the games when in don't play for Tottenham?
If you see letter way or message where Harry Kane take give we Tottenham fans, then where he decide to play back for club. If you read
Mm.
that message, you be seeing a boy where he get heavy heart. That means say this decision he take and because of the the history we don't get at the club. But
Yes.
we actually if you don't she don't because if you see person like Harry Kane decide for commode club, that
Mm.
means say he decide to leave club where on there. That means say he don't actually she don't. You know, his family talk, he make the decision. Then in the end for
Yes.
turn back the decision. For me, I see say Harry Kane get time for put back in mind for Tottenham. If he go out now, the play like say, okay, me, I be good player, I be Harry Kane, I suppose represent that name. But normally, to be back for inside Tottenham culture, made that love day. You know, say when they play as player, the passion and the love for club, the two maker, they go extra boundaries. But now nobody see that Harry Kane or they see
Okay.
hungry for it. So I believe
Okay.
say it affect performance.
All right, now no be lie. Okay, now Oga Kosi, make
Yeah.
we touch on toilet. Make we just enter inside the player rating for Tottenham. We go start with Hurricane, will be the captain. On a scale of 1 to 10, now wait till you go rate Hurricane, Oga Kosi.
5.5 on 10.
5.5. Okay, now what you go gonna
Yeah.
rate you go rate Sonny, Son.
Sonny, the kind chances where Sonny take me, I'll give him 6 on 10.
Okay, what about Dele Ali?
Daily Ali. I give Dele Alli 6.
Ndombele.
Dombele, ball when Dombele play for first half. If we for materialize the chances them, I see and say for do well because Dombele actually bossed that midfield for first half. Now just second half we were game now take lock. So Dombele I give him 7.
Okay, what about Giovanni Lo Celso?
Lo Celso, I rate him 6. 6.
One player for me will be like say today. I believe say the player be like who they everywhere for the game. Now Oilberg. To me, I believe say this now the kind of player will be like say every coach one get for a team. We don't see and say Jose
Yes,
Mourinho come. Oilberg now starter for a team. Nuno
yes,
Espirito Santo don't come. Oilberg now still starter for a team. Now what you go rate
yes.
Oilberg performance for the game?
Hoiberg, now that player where in the put he had all for game when he did fulfill. That means
Not
say if
true.
he even take it, I put up a place where man in foot they take come. So for me, I go rate Hoiberg 7.5.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
What about Sergio Regulion?
Agree on that boy, they were in dangerous from flanks. In dangerous, even though the Chelsea defense, Rudiger, then within they take blocky balls them, but I will give a 7. In try.
All right, now no be lie. Okay, what about Eric Dyer? He make one vital save. That ball when be like say Alonso supposed score when he come on that goal line clearance. Now what you go
Yes,
rate Eric Dyer?
yes. For that one, I'll give Eric Dyer 7 because that block two
Okay,
take he help reduce the
the
the the, the
goal.
score line. Yes.
Not true, not true. What about Christian Romero?
Christian Romero, for me, I no be see and say make they take substitute am because that one too, say
Okay,
when you dey start change your defenders, e dey actually show say weakness don be and e give your opponent advantage say make him take dem pressure you more. You know say e work with pressure wey don dey give am, e don dey too take you go down. But I will give Romero 6.
okay. What about Emerson Royal?
Emerson Royal 6. I know they wan give
Okay,
rating for any player wey pass because I don't. Yes.
all right. What about Hugo Loris?
Hugo Lloris 8/10. Even as I receive 3 goals, we will know say no be im fault. The other goal when Kante
Yeah.
score na deflection wey him try. He even make some double save. Lukaku be get some one in save am. So even Timo Werner he try, so he saves them today. He warranty 8 for me. At the instead,
Okay.
sorry, at the PT, he do well.
You pick him saying go concede three. No be lie. I
Yes,
agree with you. In try. If no be him, they
he
go for
try.
even reach five today. We for one can be
Yes.
like disgrace. But what about the substitute? Make we go Oliver Skip, Brian Gill, and Davison Sanchez. Now, what you go rate the three of them when we substitute?
Player like Oliver Skip. Now one of those players when they try to play like box to box. He dey try, but I still rate am for the performance wey come on. I dey still rate am for 6. So
Okay.
all the way dem come
Brian.
on, I dey rate am for 6. Yes.
Okay. What about Sanchez? He no to play
Brian Gill
in
too.
20 minutes.
He no too play tey, so I in the level for 5.
Okay. All right, now, no be like Oga
Yes.
Kosi. If we check out now, Tottenham not lose two straight game. Tottenham lose the game against Crystal Palace 3-0. And now the two
Yes.
games have now 3-3. They don't lose against Chelsea 3-0. But the next game with
Yes.
Tottenham they play now against their North London rival Arsenal. Oga Kosi, as a Tottenham fan, you get confident say Tottenham don't lose two straight match. One can enter the North London derby.
That game dey way we will know say the game the first get pride. Na game
Mm,
wey you get pride at stake, wey you dey
yes.
wan preserve bragging rights. You know they carry defend your team say they go win because dem dey in form or they no dey in form. When players they go out, e dey either be say they want to make North London dey lily white or in dey red. Arsenal don win 2 games wey don actually give them motivation to continue. You know say all man between dey throw water on top Arsenal say they know they do well, they go relegate.
Not
But now Tottenham don lost 2 games. They go want take 3 points they enter with the spirit, say they want to recover back from that downcast where they don't did it now. So the game
Mm.
go be it go tie, it go tie. I even take see draw for the game.
Okay. All right now, no be lie, Oga Kosi. Make we see how that not London or not London derby go. But thank you for your time, Oga Kosi, as you take on talk about how the match go and you take on give your player rating. Hope say you go enjoy the rest of your evening, Oga Kosi. You too much.
Thank you, my brother.